Hey guys, showing you this Fire TV Stick 4K Max. So this is a new version of Amazon Alexa Fire TV. So this is a 4K Max, means this have a support for Wi-Fi 6E and a 16 GB storage. So this have a 4K resolution along with the 6E support. So here is all the unboxing. So you can see that it comes with this adapter, HDMI adapter, one small electric adapter, and all these different parts. So let me just take it out so I can show it to you. So yeah, so this is the whole content of this package. So there is a cable, like a micro USB cable, power adapter that you have to put your USB in if you want to use it through the power adapter, or you can put in the TV's USB port. It depends for the charging thing. The power supply. This is the main Fire Stick 4K Max. So this is a good quality, like 4K Max here, as you can see, and this is the remote. So it's a voice capability with Alexa here. So this remote, and then this also comes with the two batteries, so two AAA batteries. So just be careful, like as I have the voice function, so we can just take this out and put these two supplied batteries. So one, this is all set, you can then set it up. This is the main Fire Stick. So one thing will go into the HDMI, like this port will go into HDMI, and then you will put this charging cable on the side here, and then put it in the power adapter. You can also use this HDMI adapter to make it more flexible if you want to. It depends on your specific TV. And then this USB will go in the power adapter. So once you put in the TV, it will start updating and start functioning.